Well, hi everyone. On my last review for Modelones, she sent me these Halloween foils, and I hadn't got any foil glue, so she sent me some ASAP, and it's not like the original. The original is white, and then you wait until it goes clear, but this is a gel, and I've got no instructions, so what I did for try was put it under the UV light just for 30 seconds, and it seems to work that way. So in the box, see it better there, in the box are all different ones, all with skulls on and pumpkins and stuff. So which shall we try? I'll perhaps try one with spider's web. So we'll try that one. So I've got a nail. I've had to cut it down because the nail is a lot longer than the foil. Oh, I better cut that off first. So let's cut off the spider. Like so. Right. So like I say, it's a gel. So just going to put a layer of that on. Make sure it's covered, obviously, because the foil won't stick where the foil ain't. Or where the glue is, should I say. So hopefully that's enough. So I'm going to cure that now for 30 seconds. And then I'll be back. Okay, so that's been in there. Let's see what happens with the Spidey. It's a bit difficult to press when it's on one of these stands, but we'll never to have a go. You need to really press it down. Like I say, when it's on your own hand, then it's easier to push on than it is to use these things. But we shall see if we can pull it back. And there we go. There's your shape. And there's your Spidey. Oh, there. And all you need to do with that is to put a top coat on, and you're good to go. So, like I say, you've got 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 10 in there to choose from, so you could have one on each finger. Okay, so I've got some new polygels, so I'll just get those ready. Now these polygels are different again. I don't know if they change colour, but this one's got glitter in. And I'll give you a little tip. That's my gel residue in there, in one of my little resin cups. I couldn't get this out because it's cold here now. I couldn't squeeze it out. So I've added in hot water. And as you can see, it makes it far, far more pliable. It's great. So that's what you need to do, is just make sure the lids are on tight. But then it will ease out, which is great. So we'll, I'm using a puppet to make it a bit easier. Plus, obviously, you can keep going through false nails when you try these out. As you can see, this one is covered in glitter. You have to excuse my nails, they need doing. I've been doing other things, especially with my resin, so I haven't really bothered with my nails. So what I'm going to do with that now is I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds, then we'll come back and have a look. You see the sparkle in there, so we'll see what happens. So there it is, cured. So we'll twist that, see if I can pull it up. Oh, look at that. Oh wow, look at that for sparkle. Can you see that? Wow. Top coat on there, and that will look amazing, which I will do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the nails with the number that I'm doing, and but I'll go through them all without me rattling. So that's all done, and they're, what it is, they are all holographic glitter, but they're all different inside. You've got hexagons, squares, I think they're hearts, stars, and butterflies. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a top coat on them and cure them for 60 seconds, and then I'll come back and tell you which of the gels belong to which. Okay, so they've all had the top coat on. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you which ones belong to which. Now this one, it's easier to show you like this, over black. That one is all the little butterflies, and look how that sparkles. And that one is 010. So if you want the stars, the butterflies, it's that one. The stars is that one. I'll bring it up. Is that one. And the stars is 011. So then we have the hearts. You can see those. And that is 012. Then you've got the squares. They all shine lovely. And that's 014. And then this one is like the hexagons on that one. And that one is 013. So if you want to try those, you've only got to put the polygel on. The glitter's already there. And they are lovely when the top coat goes on and the light shines on them. They're really, really pretty. Well, I'd like to thank Modelones for sending these and sending me the glue for the foil, which works very, very well. Better than the white glue that we used to use. So, I hope you've enjoyed this little review, and I'll go and have a look on the site, and I've got a discount code in my drop down box. And thank you again for watching, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye!